Hi students, hope all of you are fine. In the first part, you learned about the geographical features of Delhi. Today, we will discuss about the rulers of Delhi during medieval period. Delhi was ruled by 11 dynasties and more than 50 rulers. Because of its geographical features, rulers were attracted towards Delhi. Delhi became the first seat of power in c. 8th century under the rule of Rajputs. During this time, Delhi was known as Dillika. Have you heard about Rajputs? Rajputs were the Kshatriyas of central and northwest India. The first king of Rajputs were the Tomar king. Under the rule of Tomar king, Delhi first became the seat of power from 736 AD to 1180 AD. Following Tomar king, Chauhan dynasty ruled Delhi from 1180 AD to 1192 AD. Prithviraj Chauhan was the last Hindu ruler of Delhi. He united the Rajputs and became very powerful, but he was defeated by Muhammad of Ghor from Iran. It was because of Prithviraj Chauhan's ethics and value he left Muhammad of Ghor alive even after defeating him in first battle of Tarai. Prithviraj Chauhan underestimated Muhammad of Ghor. He came back and attacked Prithviraj Chauhan, defeated him in second battle of Tarai and established his rule in Delhi. Have you heard about Qutub Minar? Yes. Do you know who built it? Okay. It was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. He was a slave of Muhammad of Ghor. Because of his hard work, he became the commander-in-chief of Muhammad of Ghor. After the death of Muhammad of Ghor, Qutbuddin Aibak established his rule in c. 1206, with Delhi as its seat of power. This was the starting of a new period in Delhi that lasted until c. 1526. The rulers of Delhi between c. 1206 and c. 1526 are known as sultans, and the period of their reign is known as Sultanate period. During the Sultanate period, 5 major dynasties ruled Delhi. The first dynasty was Mamluk dynasty. It was also known as Slave dynasty. It got the name because the founder Qutbuddin Aibak was also a slave. From 9 rulers, the prominent ones were Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish and Balban. This dynasty started from 1292 AD to 1289 AD. Next, Khalji dynasty came to rule. The rulers were Jalaluddin Khalji, Alauddin Khalji, Shihabuddin and Qutbuddin. Their rule started from 1290 to 1320 AD. After Khalji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty came to rule. From the 9 rulers, Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firuz Shah Tughlaq were the prominent one. It started from 1320 to 1413 AD. Next dynasty was Sayyid dynasty. Sayyid dynasty, Khizr Khan was the famous one. Next one, the last dynasty, Lodi dynasty. Ibrahim Lodi was the ruler of Lodi dynasty. They ruled from 1414 to 1451. The chronological order is very important in this chapter. For remembering the first letter of dynasties, I will tell you a simple trick. Remember this one. Messi Kohli too slow. Messi M Mamluk. Kohli K Khalji. To Tughlaq. Slow SL. Sayyid and Lodi dynasty. Okay. Today we discussed about the Rajputs. The Tomars and the Chauhans were prominent among them. Next about the Muhammad of Ghor and about the Sultanate period. The rulers of Delhi between c. 1206 and c. 1526 are known as Sultans, and the period of their reign is known as Sultanate period. And the five major dynasties: Mamluk dynasty, Khalji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty, and the last dynasty, Lodi dynasty. Okay, so all of you understood all these things. If you have any doubts regarding this video, please ask through WhatsApp group between 6 to 8 p.m. Thank you.